Hello everyone in Math is Easy channel. In this video I will explain lesson 4 in chapter 2. Lesson 4 talking about review comparing really big numbers and comparing numbers in multiple forms or many forms. Now we will learn how we can make comparing between any two numbers. Look here in your book, we have this example. Basim turned the spinner 5 times and called out one digit each time. Sarah and Mina each wrote 5-digit numbers. Sarah wrote 5 digits and Mina wrote 5 digits. 12,673 and here 12,763. He tell you here, how can you tell who wrote the greater number? He wants you make comparing between them and determine which one is more. To can make comparing between any two numbers, you can compare two numbers with the same number of digits by starting at the left. You should start from left side to right side and moving right until you come to a pair to reach 2. Pair means two numbers or two digits. To reach 2 or to come or until come to a pair of digits that don't have the same value. Look here. We said we have two numbers and we want to make compare between them to determine which one is more and which one is less. Here we should start from left side. First step, compare the 10,000s. 10,000s is the highest place in our numbers. So make comparing between one or highest place here and highest place in the next number. Next step, you should go to next place or next digit. We have here 2 and here we have 2. They are same number of thousands. Go to next place. Next place is hundreds. If you make comparing between hundreds in two numbers, we have here 6 and here we have 7. 7 less than 6 or 7 more than 6. So third step, compare the hundreds. We find the 7 more than 6. So you can say 12,763 more than 12,673. 63 less than 73. Mina wrote the greater number. Remember that when you're comparing the numbers, the number which has more digits, more number of digits, is the greater. For example, if you have two numbers like this, if you count the number of digits of each number here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can say this number is more than this number or greater than this number. Why? Because here we have 8 digits, but here we have only 7 digits. I hope you felt fun when you learn mathematics in my channel. Look at another example. Which one is more? You can count the number of digits in the first. Here we have 6 digits and here we have 7 digits. So this number more than this number. Now we will solve exercise to check your understanding. Write less than, more than, or equal to compare. And he tell you circle the first digit in each number. That helps you determine which number is greater. If you make circle first number or make line under each digit, you can make comparing. Now we said start from left side when you make compare to here in thousands, and in thousands here we have 2. They are equal. Go to next place. Next place we have 3 and hundreds, and in hundreds here we have 3. But in tens place we have 4 and in tens place here we have 3. So this number is more than next number or first number more than second number. B. Go to first place from the left side. 4 in hundred thousands and 4 in 100,000. 7 and here 7. 8 but here we have 9, so this number or second number more than first number, because we have 8 in thousands in the first, and here we have 9. Next one, we have 7, 2, 3, and here 7, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5. They are equal. Next one, D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but here we have 9 digits. The number has 9 digits, more than number has 8 digits. So first number is bigger. Next one, here we have 3 periods and the 3 periods, 9 digits, and here we have 9 digits. Make comparing between numbers or digits. 503 and here 503. 278, here 279. So this number is more, because we have in thousands 8 and here we have 9. Second number bigger than first number. Last one, how many digits in all? Here we have 7 million and here we have 7 million. 492 and here 491. We have here 2 and here we have 1. So first more than second number. Are you ready to take next point in this lesson? Comparing next point in this lesson, comparing numbers in a multiple form. You have studied before how to write numbers in different forms. In lesson 3, we talk how we can write numbers in standard form, expanded form, and word form. You can compare numbers in any forms. If you have number in standard form or expanded or word, you can make comparing. You may convert to standard form to compare. If you have number in expanded or word form, you can convert or turn this number into standard form or write the number in standard form to can make compare quickly. Let's start to see how you can compare big numbers or multiple forms. Here I have 500 in expanded form, 500,000, 70,000, 98. Write the number in standard form. It's so easy. And here we learned that in previous lesson, lesson 3. We have here 1 million plus 5,000 plus 1. Before write, we have here 500 and here we have 1 million. That means that this number is bigger. So second number more than first number. B, 3,252,304. Write the number in standard form. Next number, 3,252,000. They are the same. 34. Here we have 304, but here we have 34. Which one is more? Yes, this number is more. First number is bigger than or more than second number. C. We have here 8 times 1 million, 6 times 1,000, 5 times 100, 7 times 10. What is the number in standard form? 800, 8,006,570. And here 8 million, 2 times 10 means 20. 20 what? 26,000. 8,026,000. And in last period we have 5 times 100, 500. 9 times 1 is 9, 509. Okay, now we can make comparing. We have here 8 in highest place and here we have 8, 0, 0, 0 in 10,000th place, but here we have 2, so this number is more. Last one, we have a number in expanded form. Here, write this number in standard form. 2 million, write 2 million, 400 million, 2032. 2 million, 400 million, 2032, and here 2 million, 58 million, 2 million, 58 million, 9,059. Which one is more? From left side, we have 2 million, and here we have 2 in highest place. In 100,000, 4, and in 100,000th place, we have here 0. So first number is more. I will solve exercise 4. I want you to focus well, and let's start. First question here we have compare and write more than, less than, or equal. How we can make comparing between two numbers. To make comparing between two numbers, we said in the previous video, you should start from left side and see all digits to reach to the different digits in the two numbers, like this. We have here 7 in highest place, and here we have 7. They are equal. So you should go to next place to see if they are different or the same. We have 0 in tens, and here we have 7 in tens. 0 less than 7, so first number less than second number. Next one, we have 1000, and here we have 1, 2, 0, 7, 2, 0, 7. They are equal. Next one, we have 10 in thousands place, and here we have 10 too. 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5. In hundreds place, we have 5. But in hundreds place here we have 2. 5 more than 2, so first number greater than second number. Write greater than or more than. Next one, we have here 1 and we have here 1, but focus well. You have 190 in the first period or thousandth period. You have 3 digits, but here you have 1 in tens and nothing in hundreds. That means 1 in tens less than 1 in hundreds, first number more than second number, because 190,000 more than 19,000. Next number here we have 2 in hundred thousands, 291, and here we have 219. 9 in 10,000 place, and here we have 1 in 10,000 place. So first number bigger than or more than second number. Next one, we have 9 in millions place. We have 3 periods here. Focus well how many periods in each number. We have here 3 periods, and here we have 3 periods. 9 the highest in highest place, but here we have 11 in highest place. Which one is more? 11 more than 9. So the first number less than second number. G, we have here 4 periods, 5 million, and here we have 4 periods too. We have 5 in millions place, and we have in 100 millions 6. Next digit here we have, or next place we have here 5. 6 more than or less than 5. 6 more than 5. So the first number bigger than second number. Next one, we have here 4 periods and here 4 periods. 7 in millions and here 7. 7, 9, 8. Here 7, 9, 8. 5, 6, 2. We have 5, 6, 7. 2 in thousands. Less than 7 in thousands in the next number. So first number less than second number. Here we have 8, 9, 4, 1, 8. 1 in hundreds place. But here we have 8, 9, 4, 1, 8. 2 in hundreds place. 1 less than 2. So first number less than second number. 3 periods. We have 3 periods here too. 571, 600. 571, 600. They are the same. Go to next period. We have 2 in hundreds, but here we have 3. 2 less than 3 in hundreds place. So write or choose less than. First number less than second. And next one we have 940. We have in this period 940. 668. But here 669. So first number less than second number. Next one, we have here 4 periods, but here we have 3 periods only. So first number is more before see any digits. Here we have 3 periods and here we have 3 periods, but in the first period or highest period we have 100, and here we have 99. 100 more than 99. 40,000, and here we have 400,000. Before, if you see any word form, write the number in standard form, like this. 3 thousandths, where the thousandths mean the 3 zeros, we have here 5 zeros. But here we have 4 zeros, 40 less than 400 thousandths. Here we have 7 10 thousandths. I said put zeros instead of words. 10 means 1 zero, thousandths means 3 zeros. This number is 70,000. But here 7 thousandths with 3 zeros only. First number bigger than second number. Here we have 5,000 and here we have 500 thousandths. Thousandths, 3 zeros. All zeros is 5, but here 3. First number less than second number. Next one, 9 thousandths, and here we have 9 thousandths. If you write the number in standard form, you will see the same. 2 is equal. 2 numbers is equal. We have here 7,100,000, and here we have 8 milliards. 8 milliards more than 7, so you should write here less than 7, less than 8 million. 3 milliards, and here we have 10 millions. Before solve, you should write the number in standard form. 10 means 1 zero. Millions means 6 zeros. So you will put plus 2 zeros here, you will put 7 zeros. Like this. 7 zeros plus 2 equals 9 zeros. So this number is 3 milliard and this number here is 3 milliard. They are equal. Now we will go to next exercise. Compare right more than, less than, or equal. 7,000 million. I said you should write instead of words, write zeros. 6 zeros instead of word millions. And we have here 3, that means 7 milliards. This number is 7 milliards. And here we have 7 milliards. So write here equal. They are equal. Next one. We have 4 or 14,617, and here number in expanded form. Write this number in standard form. 10 thousandths means 1 in 10 thousandths place. 4 thousandths, 4 in thousandths place. 620. They are the same, or which one is more? We have here 17, but here we have 20. 17 less than 20, so first number less than second number. 5 milliards, 367 thousandths. Instead of words, you should put zeros like this. 5 milliards means 4 periods. Put 4 periods. 3 dots, comma, 3 dots, comma, 3 dots, comma, to make 4 periods, and write 5 in milliards place. In millions place, do you see millions here? No. So you should put 3 zeros in this period and millions place. We have thousands. We have thousands. So in thousands place, you should write 367, and he tell you 367,000 means write here 3 zeros. Do you see? Make comparing now. 5 in milliards. We have 5 in two numbers. We have 3 in 100 million. We have here 0 in 100 millions place, but here we have 3. 3 more than or 0 less than 3. So first number less than second number. Next one. 97,301,000. Here we have 90 million, 7 million plus 3,000. 97,003,001. Here write this number in standard form. 97,301. In thousands, we don't have any number in thousands period or thousands place. So put 3 zeros. 97, he said million means the 3 periods. 301. Make comparing now. 97 and here 97. 0, 0, 0. But here we have in hundreds 3. 0 less than 3. 0, 0 in thousands less than 3 in thousands. So first number less than second number. Next one, number in standard form, 4 periods. And here you should write the number in standard form too. 5,300,000,715, like this. 715,034. Make compare between two numbers. 5 in milliards, yes, 5 in milliards. 1 in 100 million, but here we have 3. 1 less than 3, so first number less than second number. Next one, here we have 7 times 100 million. Before make anything, we have here million, but here we have we have thousands. That means the first period is more, first number is more. Without write in standard form, but I said you should write numbers in standard form to make sure your answer is right. G, here we have number in standard form for periods. 8 milliard 14 million. Here we have 8 milliard 400 million. 40 less than 400. So if you write this number in standard form, you will see here 8 million. Which one is more? Here we have 40 and in millions place, but here we have 4. The first number less than second number. 0 less than 4, so first number less than second number. Next one, we have 4 milliard plus 5,000 plus 1. And here we have 4 million. 4 milliard, without write the number in standard form, you see 4 million less more than 4 million. So first number bigger than or greater than second number. Next one, we have 17,425,605. The number in standard form, 15 million, 3 periods. 425,605, and this number, do you see here 1 times 10 million and 7 times 1 million? That means 17 million. 4 times 100, 4 in 100,000 place, 20 times 10, 420, and last period we have 600 times 605, like this. Which one is more? 17. We have here in the second number 17, 425, but here 420, 5 more than 0, so the first number bigger than second number. Last one here we have 4. Last one we have 423,000. 12, like this, 423,000, 12. And here 430,000. 430,000 to 432,021. Which one is more? First or second? We have here 1, but here we have 2. So first number less than second. He tell you here put true or false. Read all statements down and put true or false. First statement, he tell you 4,581. Bigger than 4,851. Write the number in standard form to can make compare. 485, but here 458. 5 in hundreds, 8 in hundreds in the next number. So first number less than, not more than. So this statement not right. You should put here false. Next one, 40 hundreds plus 50 tens plus 81. 81 ones. And here 4581. Write this number in standard form. 40 hundreds means 4,000. 50 tens means 5 in hundreds place, because this tens 0 and 0, 500. 81, they are the same. They are equal. And he write here they are equal. So this statement is right.
Oh, I feel very funny today.
Next one here, we have 4,000s plus 800s plus 110 plus 5 ones more than 4,581. Write the number in standard form. 4, we have here 4. In hundreds we have 8, but in hundreds here we have 5. First number bigger than second number. This statement is right. D, we have 5,400,000, 10,000, 6,000, 307, less than 5,416,000. Write the first number in standard form in the first. 5416. We have here 5416. 370, 307. 0 in tens place, less than 7 in tens place in the next number. We write here less than, so this answer is right, or this statement is right. Next one, 50 hundreds plus 40 tens plus 81. Write the number before make anything. Write the number in standard form. 5,481. 4,000 not equal. So this answer not right. 50,000 plus 800. We have here 50,000 400. 4 in hundreds place. Like this, 50 and the 4 and the 8 in hundreds place. But here we have 4. That means the first number, last one here, 50,000 plus 800 plus 110. I said you should write the number in standard form before make comparing. If you write the number in standard form, we have 50,000 and 814. We have here 50 in hundreds place we have 8, and the second number we have 4. That means the first number more than, not less than. More than second number. This statement not right. You should write here false. We will complete exercise 4 in the next video. In this question here, he gives you 2 numbers and he wants you find the missing digit. Find each missing digit in the questions down. We have in thousands place 6, and here we have 6. We have 1 in hundreds, here in hundreds place, but here nothing. So you should see what is the relation between 2 numbers. He tell you first number bigger than or greater than second number. So you should write here number less than 1. What the number before 1 is 0. So the missing digit here is 0. And next one we have 2 in thousands place, and here nothing, and he tell you they are equal. So you should write here 2. We have 4 and here 4. 3 in hundreds. In tens place here we have 10, we have 8, and here nothing. We have missing number and missing digit. You should find it. Look at the relation between 2 numbers. We have less than. So the number here should be greater than 8. If you write number in this place, in tens place, should be more than 8, because here if you read from left side 8 or 4,382 less than 4,300, what? 9. You should write here 9 to be more than 8. 91 and here 90 only. Here missing the number in thousands place, we have 1. To know what is the digit here, you should see the sign. He tell you 1 or this number bigger than next number. So you should write here number less than 1. What less than 1, or what is the number before 1? 0. Next one, we have here 114 and here 114. We have 8 in hundreds, but here missing a number or missing a digit. And he tell you first number less than second number. You should put digit here. This digit should be more than 8, because he tell you first number less than second number. What after 8 is 9. The number is 9. And here we have 703, 9 in hundreds, 9 in hundreds here, but here in tens place we don't have any digits. So you see here we have equal. So you should write the same digit here. Write 8. 11,000, and here we have 1 only. We missing this digit. So he tell you 1 more than 1 greater than this number. So this number should be less than 1. What before 1? 0. 67, 8, and here we have 1. Here we have nothing. So we should see the sign between 2 numbers. 1 more than this number. Right here 0, because 0 less than 1. Next one. We have in hundreds place we have nothing, and here we have 5. They are equal. You should write here 5. And here we have 179 and 179 in 00 and 00 in hundreds and tens. In ones place, nothing. And here we have 1. He tell you this number less than 1. What the number before 1? 0. And in hundreds here nothing. In hundreds we have 1. He want to write number less than 1. 0. And last one here in this question we have 6, 8. 8 in 100 in 10,000 place, but here nothing. 8 less than this number. So this number from right side, this number or the missing number more than 8. 9 more than 8. Number 5, find all digits. Focus well, he tell you all digits. All digits that can replace each. We have 2 numbers here. First number less than second number. And we have missing digit here in 10,000 place. Go to next digit, next number and see what is written in 10,000 place. We have 5. So he tell you write not one digit only like this. You should write all digits before 5. All digits before 5 is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Next one, we have 4, 2, 3, and here 4, 2, 3. The missing digit in 100,000. Go to 100,000 place. Here we have 6, and he tell you all digits before 6. What the numbers or digits before 6? We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0, last digit. Next one, C. In thousands place, we missing this digit. Go to next number. In thousands place, we have 3. He tell you all digits here in this place less than 3. What the digits before 3? 2, 1, and 0. Next one, 21. Here we have 21, and here we have 21. In hundreds, missing digit. In hundreds, here we have 7. But the sign he tell you all digits here in the first number should be more than next number, or should be more than 7. Now I will write all digits after 7. After 7, but stop on 9 because 10 is not digit. So write here 8, 9. Last one, we have 7, 2 zeros, and here missing digit. And the next number we have 7007. In hundreds, in 1 millions we have 7, and he tell you less than 7. All digits before 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Exercise 6. Create numbers that make the comparison true. Use all the lines. We have here lines, small lines like this, or periods. You should put numbers inside or digits inside all lines here. What less than this number? You should look at the first digit only. Here 8, and write here number or digit less than 8. What before 8? 7 less than 8. So you should write here 7 in highest place, and write all digits. Write 9, 0, 7, 8, 789, and last period 3 zeros. Now we make what? We make the comparison true. 7 million or 790 million less than 890. Go to next one. We have here 6. And then first digit we have, or highest place, we have 6. You should write here what? Look at the sign. 6 more than what? You should write here number less than 6. What before 6? Before 6 we have 5. And write all digits in the first number. 4, 2, 578, and 291. Next one, 2 milliard. Highest place here, or highest digit, is 2 milliard. And you should write here what? 2 is greater than this number. That means the number here less than 2. What before 2? Before 2 we have 1. So you should write here 1 milliard and write or type or digit all digits here in the places. We have here 4 milliard and you should write here number more than 4 because he tell you 4 milliard or this number less than second number. So first number here or first digit should be more than 4. What the number after 4? After 4 we have 5, so you should write 5 milliard and type all digits. Last one here we have number in milliards. We have 3 milliards and you should write in the first number, write 3. You have 3 milliards and 3 milliards greater than the number here. So write here number less than 3. Less than 3 we have to write 2 milliard and type all digits after 3. Number 7, write a number. First one, create a numeral that is less than the 100,000th place. Go to your number here. Where is the 100,000th place? In 100,000th place we have 6. So he tell you write the same number but write less than 6. Number less than 6. So you should put here 6. Before 6 we have 5. You should write 5 in 100th place and complete the number without a change. 1, 2, 7, 9, 3 without any change in all digits. Next one, create numeral that is less than the 100,000th place and gives you this number. Where is the in 100,000th place? We have what? We have 8. You should write number before 8. Before 8 we have 7. Write 7 and type all digits without a change. 9, 3, 8, 2, 0. Create number that's greater in the millions place. Greater in the millions place than the number here in millions place we have 8. So you should write after 8 what? After 8 we have 9. To be 9 greater than 8. 9 million greater than 8 million and type all digits without the change. Next one, create numeral that is greater in the 100 millions place. Go to your number and search about 100 millions. In 100 millions place we have 2. You should write number more than 2. 3. 3 more than 2. So 347 million and write all digits without a change. 854 like this and 923, 923. Next. Create numeral that is less in the 10 millionth place. Where is 10 millionth place? Here, this digit in 10 millionth place. And we have 3. He wants you write number less than 3. 22 million and complete the number 427,400. Create number that is greater in the milliards. Milliards place here we have 5. We need number greater than 5, 6 more than 5. So 5,555,000,000 and complete the number. Write numeral is expanded in expanded form that is equal to this number. That means you should write your number or convert this number, and here we have equal. So you should write the same digits but in expanded form. We have here 2 milliard. You should write 2 and 9 zeros as we learned in the previous videos. And here we have 400 million. Write 400 million, 40 million, 5 million, 200,000, 30,000, 2,197. We wrote this number in expanded form. H. Create numeral that is less in the thousandth place. Go to your number in thousandth place. We have what? We have 5. He wants you write number less than 5. Less than 5, 4 is less than 5. So you should write all digits without a change, but you should change only number in thousands place like this. 4 is less than 5. Next, create a numeral that is greater in the 10,000th place. Where is 10,000th place here? We have here 6,400,720,911. Where is the number in 10,000th place inside or in this number? 10,000th place. Here we have 20,000. We have 20,000. In 10,000th place we have 2. We have here 2. That means you should write number greater than 2. The number over or after 2 is 3. You should write in thousandths place, right? Or in 10,000th place, you should put 3. Because in 10,000th place, in the first number is 20. So you should write number greater than 2 is 30,000. Create numeral that is greater in millions place. In millions place, go to this number in expanded form. We have here 50 million. That means number in 10,000, so in 10 millions place. But here 1 millions place. In millions place we have 2. And here he wants to write number more than 2. More than 2 means 3. Write the same digits here, but change 2 only to be 3. Like this. Write 5, 3, and 730. Don't forget, he tell you million. That means you should have 3 periods. You should put zeros and thousands place. Create a numeral that is greater than or greater in the 10,000th place. Focus well. Here we have number in expanded form. Search in this number about 10,000th place. We have here million, 3 million, 400 million, 400,000, 2,000, and 300. We don't have 10,000 as he wants from me. So you should, know in your mind, or you should know, if you don't have any place here in expanded form, that means that this place or this digit is 0. In 10,000th place we have 0. So here he wants to write number greater than 0, more than 0. What after 0? We have 1 after 0. So you should type all digits, but in 10,000th place, and instead of 0 you should put 1, like this. 3, 4, 4, and in hundreds, in 10,000th place you should put 1 instead of this 0, 2,000, and 302. Next one and last one in this video, create a numeral that is greater in the millions place. In millions place we have 3, so he wants to write number greater than 3, more than 3. What after 3? 4 after 3. And write all digits the same without a change. Now we finished lesson 4, and see you in the next video. I want you to follow me to can understand lesson 5. Goodbye.
Yeah, that's fun.
Lesson 5. In lesson 5 we will learn ascending and descending order. And the first, what the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means you should write or arrange your numbers from small to big. You should start from smallest number and end in the biggest number. Or you can say ascending order means from down to up. And descending order means you should write your numbers from big to small. Start with biggest number and end in the smallest number. Or you can say from up to down.
That's fantastic.
Here in your book we have this exercise or this example. This table shows the population of 4 governorates in Egypt in 2021. You can order the governorates by their population from the greatest to the least. You should start from biggest number and end in the least number or smallest number. Here we will see how we can make a range or write number from greatest to least. Before start to make a range numbers, you should look at the 4 numbers and see how many periods in each number. The number has 2 periods only is the smallest number, and the number has 3 periods like this is the biggest number. We have 3 numbers had 3 periods. You should see how many periods in each number. Governorates and hair population. If we see here we have 3 periods and this number is the biggest number because we have here 10. 10 is bigger than 5, so you should write this number in the first. Next number what? We have 5 and 5, they are equal. Go to next place, we have here 4 and here we have 5. 5 more than 4, so you should write this number second one. And third number 5 million is third number, and last number is the number with 2 periods only, 450,528. Example 2 in your book. Write each of the following numbers or numerals in standard form and arrange in a descending order. What's the meaning of descending? We said you should remember all time descending order is ordering numbers from greatest to the least. We have here 4 numbers and we can't make a range or comparing between numbers without standard form. So you should write all numbers or convert all numbers into standard form in the first. We have here 7 million, 40 million, 5,300. Next number we have 7 million, 400 million, 1,002. Third number 7 million, 500 million, 600,000, 300. Last number in standard form. See how many periods in all in each number. We have here 4 periods, 4 periods, 4 periods, but last number 2 periods only. That means last number is the smallest number. We will write this number in the end. Now comparing between 3 numbers here to choose biggest one or to write biggest one. 7, 7, 7. Here we have 0, 4, 5. Which one is more? 5. 5 biggest or more than 4. So this number in the first. After that we have here 4 in 100 millions. So this number is the next number. And the third number is 7 million, 0. And the last number, this number with 2 periods only, 745,300.
Oh, I feel very funny today.
Now we will solve exercise 5. He tell you in the first one, write the number in ascending order. Do you remember? Ascending means what? Ascending means from smallest to the big or from down to up. Here, first step to make a range, you should see how many periods. In 4 numbers here we have 3 periods. So we will make like this. You can make line. 2 can make comparing quickly. In the first period here we have 770, and here we have 7. That means you should make comparing between first number and last number in the first. We want to see which one is small. We have 7, 1, 2, 2, and here 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0 or 0 less than 2 in thousands place. So this number is the first number. Second number, this number. Third number, 70 million or 700 million. 70 million, smaller than 700. That means small 700 in the end. Now we write numbers from smallest to the big or the biggest. Next one, see how many periods in all digits, in all numbers. We have here 4 periods. Here we have 2 periods, but here and first and second number we have 3 periods. We want to find the smallest number. Which one is the smallest? Without comparing between digits, you can say this number is the smallest because this number has only 2 periods. After that, after we write 500 42,000. Which one is small? Here we have 3 and here we have 3. We have here 4 and we have here 4 in 100,000 place. So this number is the smallest, or smallest than or smaller than next number. Third number, this one. And the biggest number or greater number is 1 milliard. See how many periods? 3, 3, 3, and here we have 3, 2. Okay, now I will make like this to can make comparing quickly. Put line in or at first column. Here we have 430, 43, 403, 430. Which one is the smallest? This one. 43 less than all. So this number in the first. After that we have 430 and 403. 403 smaller than 430 and 430 here. Now I have only two numbers, the first and last number. Which one is small? Here we have 0 in 100,000 and here we have 5 in 100,000. That means this number is small. And the biggest number is here. 435,549,000. Last one we have here 4 periods, 4 periods, 4 periods, and here 3 periods. That means this number is the first. 4 periods make line to can compare between 3 numbers. Here we have 0 in 100,000 in 100 millions, and here 1, here 0. 1 bigger than this 0 and this 0. So make comparing between first and the third number. Next digit in 10,000 place, here we have 0, but here we have 1. That means this number next number. And the third number, this one. Last number is 2 and 1 in millions place. 2 million, 100 million. Now he tell you in the next one or number 2, write all of the digits at or that can replace each space or each missing digit. He tell you here all, that means maybe you have more than one digit. Here we have 567, 6 in hundreds place, here nothing, and here in tens place. In tens place we have 6, nothing, and 8. So he want to write here number should be more than 6 and in the same time less than 8. After 6 we have 7. If we write 6, 7, 8. After 6 we have 8. That means 7 less than 8 and more than 6. The answer here is 7. Next one, 3. We have 3 in thousands in the all numbers, and here in hundreds place we have 4. Here nothing, and here we have 5. Now he want to write one digit or more in this place. We have 4 and here we have 5. 4 and 5. Do you see 4 and 5? After 4 we have 5. There is nothing between 4 and 5. You should write 4 and 5. Write 4 in the first. If we write here 4, it will be 430. 430 less than 540, yes, because 4 less than 5. 430 more than 408, yes, because 30 more than 8, but 4 equal 4. So if we write here 4, your answer is right. 4 is right answer. After that, try to put 5. If we put 5 in this place, 530 less than 500, 5 equal 5, but 30 less than 40. That means 5 is right. Try to, in the next side, try to make comparing between this number and the first number. 530 more than 408, yes. So 5 is right answer. You should write here 5 or 4. Next one we have in thousands place 2, in thousands place nothing, and thousands place here we have 0. That means you have 2 and 0. There's any number between them? Yes, we have 1 between 2 and 0. 1 less than 1 bigger than 0 and less than 2. 1 is right. And try to put 2. If we put here 2,000, and here we have 2,000, 2,790 less than 780, no. So 2 is not answer, not right. Try to put here 0. If we put here 0, that means 790 bigger than 0 here and 120. Yes, because 0 equals 0, but 700 more than 100. That means if we put 0, the answer is right. Try with first number. 790 less than 2,780. Yes. So 1 and 0 is the right answer. Last one. In 10,000 place, here we have 6, and here we have nothing, and here we have 4 in 10,000 place. That means 6 and 4. Between 6 and 4 we have 5. Try to see which number is right. If we put here 6, try to put 6 here. If we have here 6 more than 4, yes, 3,000. Here we have 64. 63 less than 64, yes. So if we put 6, the 6 is right digit. 5, if we put 5 here, 53 more than 40, yes. 53 less than 64, yes. So 5 is right answer. Number 3, write each of the following numerals in standard form and arrange the numerals in an ascending order. Ascending order means you should write numbers from small to big or from down to up. Here we have 4 numbers. We should write all numbers in standard form to can make a range. First number 352,067. Second number 3,000,000. Third number we have 3 times 100 means 352,620. Last number 367,201. Now you can make comparing quickly. If you see we have this number has 3 periods. That means this number in the end. Biggest number. Go to first and another numbers down. We have here 3 and here we have 3. 5, 5, 6. This number is the third number. Make comparing between first and third number. Here we have 2, 2, and here we have 0 in hundreds. In hundreds, here we have 6. That means this number is the first number. And here, second number. Third one, 367,000. And last one, number in millions, 3 million. Number B, in the same question, we will write a number from smallest to biggest. We have 4 numbers here. We should write numbers in standard form in the first. First number 3,405,000. 3. Next one 3,450,000. 3. And third number in standard form. After that we have 3,450,000. 30. Make compare between all numbers. 3 in all numbers in millions place and 4 in hundreds in all numbers too. Here we have 0, 5, 5, 5. Which one is least or small? This number is the first number. Make comparing down. We have here 5, 5, 5. Go to next place in thousands. We have 0 and 3, 0. So we will make comparing between second number and the last number. Here we have 0 and here 0. We have in tens place 0, but here we have 3. 0 less than 3. This is the second number, and this is third number, and 3,453,000 biggest number. Second one, C, 2 million, write all number in standard form. 2 million, and we will search about smallest number. 2,4,700,000. Next number in standard form. third number 2 milliard 40 million 7,000, last number 3 milliard. If we see here, all numbers has 4 periods and 2, 2, 2 in milliards place, and here we have 3. 3, this number in the end, because this is the biggest number. Number 4. Here we have 0 in hundreds, 4 in hundreds, 0 in hundreds. Make comparing between first and the third one only. 0 in 10 millions place, and here we have 4. 0 less than 4, so this number is the first and second number. And this is third number, and we said 3 milliard is the biggest number. D. Don't forget, we make a range from smallest to the biggest. Write numbers in standard form in the first 5 milliard, 100 million, 64. And the second number, 99 million, not milliard, here 3 periods. Next number, 5 milliard, 10 million, 78. Last number, 5 milliard, 100 million. If we see, we have here number it has 3 periods only. This is the smallest number. And we have 5 milliard, 5 milliard, 5 milliard. They are equal, but here we have 1, 0, 1. 0 less than 1, and write this number in the second. Third number, which one? We have 0, 0, 0, 0. They are equal. Go to 10th place. In 10th place here 0, in 10th place here we have 6. That means this number is the third number, and last number here 64. Next one, 362,491. Right number in standard form. Third number, here we have 364,090. We have 5 numbers, not 4 only. 363,589. All digits or numbers here has 2 periods. That means you should focus well. See from the left side, start from left side. All first digit is 3, and all first digit is 3 in 10,000th place. We have here 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. Means you should make comparing between 2 numbers now. We have here 4, and here we have 8. Which one is the small? 4. So this number is the first. And this number second one. 3 and 3. Make comparing between this and last number. We have in hundreds 9, and here in hundreds we have 5. That means 5 less than 9. And this number, fourth one, and least number is 364,90. Last one here, 500 millions, right? 500 millions, 4,000, 85. From least to greatest, 6,499,000, 60 million, 700,000. Last number 9 milliard, 700. Focus well how many periods in the digits. Here we have 4 digits, so this number is the biggest. And here 3, 3, 3. 60, 60, they are equal, and here we have 6. 6 is the smallest number, so this number is the first. 60 less than 600, that means make comparing between 2 numbers here. 7, 7, 4, 0. Second number. And this third number, and we have here 6 million, but here's 9 milliard. 9 milliard is the greatest number. I hope you understood this lesson well, and we will meet in the next video to complete exercise 5. Goodbye.